What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another video. My name is Ty, and on the channel I cover cars, gear, and other adventures. Today I'm taking a crack at stippling my M&P full-size pistol. Never stippled before, so this won't be a tutorial. There's far more experienced people on YouTube, so go look up just how to stipple a pistol grip or a gun. And yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. Never done this, so it'll probably be more of a before and after and how it comes out. So I guess I'll just go for it. This is what the M&P looks like. It is cleared. Probably won't be able to see that, but nothing in it. Empty mag. Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna start by sanding off all this old grip, and then I'll probably grab a back strap to test the wood burner on and see what happens. What we're looking at so far. I've hit it with the Dremel to get all of the old grip texture off, or at least as much as I could. I also went and did a double undercut. That basically just lets this finger get up in here a little bit more, other hand rest in there. Yeah, so I went ahead, Dremeled it, then went up with some sandpaper grits to kind of smooth everything out, kind of have an idea of what I want to do. So now I'm just going to grab wood burner and take a different back strap and kind of play with these and see what they're going to do, and then I'll start stippling the grip. I also forgot to mention that stippling basically is just adding extra grip to your frame. Any polymer frame you can do it to. Super popular on Glocks. Yeah, it's kind of like putting grip tape for a skateboard on your gun. Alright, switching over to my phone because my GoPro and my regular camera both died. But this is pretty much what I've ended up with. Right here, I'm going to move this wood burner before I hurt myself. And so, this is kind of my end result. I decided to kind of stipple around the safety and around the logo. The little pattern around the bottom. I also stippled this little portion right here where your left hand thumb goes. Double undercut, stippled that. Full high back, which I'm gonna see if this bothers my hands. If it does, I might just get rid of that or change it. And the other side. The back plate here was like a slightly different material, so it is kind of a little bit of a different color for now. But let me put the slide on and see how this thing looks as a complete gun. Here we are with the slide back on. We are empty in there, so I can close this. Yeah, that's what we got. This is definitely like 500 times grippier than the standard grip on this thing. Feels really nice in my hand now. Definitely gonna be able to get just a super tight grip. Also, that little part up there is super helpful when you have two hands on the gun. Obviously I can't show you because I have one hand on my phone right now, but that's what we're looking at, and turned out pretty good. Pretty stoked on how my M&P9 turned out. For a first go, it's pretty successful. Can't really complain. It's gonna get the job done. It's gonna stay super grippy in my hands, and kind of just adds another layer of depth to the firearm itself. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe. I have a lot of content planned. I should probably stop waving this empty pistol around. And yeah, so subscribe, hit the like button. I got some new gear videos coming. We're also gonna be shooting again soon. So trying to film some different videos out there with some different firearms you might not always see. Yada, yada, yada. See you guys next time.